Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did the stamping and foiling technique on the middle finger that you see there with the elongated nail bed. Before we get started, I do want to tell you, please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified of my next upload. A lot of people are not getting notifications, so please check that. The two nails with the painted leaves will be up next, and that will be the last of my autumn nails, and I can go on to Christmas nails. And that video will be up before the end of this month. Here is the plate that I will be using. It's a beautiful autumn plate. I got this plate on eBay a few years ago. And there's the stamping polish by Moyra. This is a foiling stamping polish, and I will be using Moyra's foil as well. This bottle here was about $7. I will put the link in the description box below for you. It really works great. You stamp with it and then foil it. Simple. Here I am using the Moyra polish. Like I said, it's a foiling polish. I love these clear stampers. This is large enough for long nails, this one here. Gone are the days where you can't see what you're stamping, you know, and you just had to wing it. It's not like that anymore. You can be very precise with these new clear stampers. And here I am foiling. That's all you do is you just wait a few seconds, like maybe 10 or 15 seconds after you stamp that, and you start foiling. Moyra's foil is very thin and it just attaches so quickly and easily. And that's what it looks like finished. Now it's cleanup time. I'm using a brush with some acetone, and here you can see me going around the smile line, taking off any excess stamping that I don't want. It's just easily removed with a brush and some acetone. Again, just doing some cleanup work with acetone and a brush. I didn't use any latex barrier tape that you can peel off. I do have some, but didn't use it. Now it's time for top coating. And the top coat that I like to use is Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat. And I just find that it is perfect for top coating over foils. It never seems to crinkle it or anything like that or dissolve it. I've been using it for quite a few years on my foils. It seems to be the best to use for that, in my opinion anyway. And once I get this all top coated, I will cure it in my lamp for about 1 minute. That's the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!